Greetings everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this channel for the first time, please give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Welcome to you all. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a nice and lovely, natural, healthy tea. And this here, I'm using a chamomile cider vinegar. As you can see the particles in it. I'm going to use some fresh ground cinnamon and I'm going to use a bit of this lemon. But first of all, let us talk about the chamomile, what it is good for. Chamomile is good for your digestive system and it's also good for gastroenteritis. Also it's good for indigestion, good for diarrhea, and also it's full with antioxidant and it's good for motion sickness, also good for nausea, vomiting, fever, and also help you to relax. Cinnamon is good for lowering your blood sugar, full of antioxidant, also good for inflammatory, also it's good for heart disease, and also it's good to fight against cancer. It have anti-inflammatory properties, antivirus, and also is good for relaxing you also and help you to burn fat. Now also cider vinegar is good for health, to lose weight, good to reduce cholesterol, help to lower your blood sugar, and also good for diabetes. Lemon, as you know, is a super healthy fruit. It's good for your heart, help control weight loss, prevent kidney stone, it's reduce risk of cancer, improve your digestive system. So this is the reason why I'm going to make this tea, is to help you make a nice healthy tea and to relax you, help you to sleep better. So over here in this pot here, I have 1.5 cup of water in this. So I'm gonna turn the gas up and I'm gonna bring it to a boil. So meanwhile, I'm gonna just get a bit of this lemon. Don't need much. So I'm going to squeeze it in this. This part here, you don't have to throw it away. I will add it to the water. So what I'm going to do, this lemon skin I have, I'm going to put it in here. Just add it to the water, bring it to a boil. So now, as you can see, water start to boil. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn the fire off. And then I will take the chamomile, put it in, cover it, let it stay for maybe a minute or two. So now, remove the lid. Now I'm going to add cinnamon. This is ground cinnamon here. Give it a bit of stir. After that, cider vinegar in. Just a bit of cinnamon left. Then lemon juice. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to strain the tea off. So I'll take this off and bring it over. So here I have my teacup here. This Just remove this, leave that there. Then you just strain it off in this. You can add some natural honey to this if you wish to do so. Remove this. And there you have your lovely cup of tea. This tea will help you to sleep well, help you to relax. So please try this lovely recipe. Just 1 cup before bedtime. Help you to relax. Also help you to burn fat, speed up your metabolism. Ladies and gentlemen, if this video of any help to you or if you're watching, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Peace be unto you all. Thank you again for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Peace be.